Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm back this week to show you guys how to style a crop top in 3 different ways. Can you guys dress modestly in crop top? If you want to know, continue watching. Okay, untuk first look ni, the safest way to style a crop top is to layer it with a shirt. Whether a long shirt or a shorter shirt, it's all up to you. As for the second look, since this crop top is short, you would always want to pair it with any skirt or pants that is high-waisted. And untuk look ni, I pair it with a high-rise pants and a jacket. Last but not least, if you really have no idea how to style your crop top, the easiest way is to make it as your inner. Layer it under a sleeveless dress and you're done! So, how is it? Do you guys like it? I suka sangat sebab you need to always play around with your clothes because you never know what look good on you until you try it on. Yang paling bestnya, mix and match is always the best. So good luck, and also don't forget to give us a like and bye!